Hey, welcome to Canva in a Minute. In this video, I will be showing you how to upload a PDF into Canva. Now, there are two ways to upload a PDF file. You can go over to Create a Design, click on Import PDF. You'll have it in Canva in no time. And here it is right here. You can always find it in your designs. The second way is to open your folder, drag and drop the PDF file into Canva. There it is once again. Go to Home, and there it is in our designs. Open the file in your editor. You can also edit the file. Simply click on an element or a word, maximize it, change the word, and just like that, you're able to edit your PDF. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.